CRT60X is Wacker Neuson's newest addition to its line of ride-on trowels. A machine optimized for the production of super flat floors. This updated design features added hydraulic capacity for maximum performance in the toughest applications. The CRT60X features a durable and reliable design powered with a 74 horsepower Kohler engine, which drives a best-in-class hydraulic system. With today's high-friction, delayed, late panning process, our patented engine power regulation system is a must. It constantly monitors and maintains optimal engine and blade speed for maximum power input to the concrete. Integrated forklift pockets allow the CRT60X to be lifted with common job site machines such as skid steers, track loaders, or telehandlers. The forklift pockets also add strength and rigidity to the frame. The CRT60X can also be lifted via lifting eyes with a crane or a hoist. Wacker Neuson's patented push-button wheel kit allows for fast float pan or blade changes. The wheel kit also allows convenient movement of the machine on the job site. The CRT60X features an enhanced display which communicates diagnostics and other information to the operator, including fuel level, engine RPM, temperature, and pressure. The innovative steering system offers 2 modes of steering settings, which gives the operator a choice to suit their individual preference and to match job site conditions. Cruise control allows the operator to maintain the desired rotor speed without holding a foot on the pedal. An additional ergonomic feature includes the patented Gyro Assist, which ensures the smoothest possible ride. The CRT60X also has 6 bright LED lights for operating in low light conditions. For more information on this or any other Wacker Neuson product, please visit our website at wackerneuson.com or visit your local Wacker Neuson dealer.